In today's video, I'm gonna break down the 3 hottest niches on TikTok right now that are making creators an absolute killing. We're talking thousands of dollars per video from the TikTok creativity program alone. And I'm not just gonna tell you what the niches are, I'll walk you through exactly how to create viral videos for each niche step by step using CapCut and its new voice cloning feature. But first, let's go over why these 3 niches are so insanely profitable right now. The TikTok algorithm is actively pushing videos in these categories to a massive audience. We're seeing videos with hundreds of millions of views here, and the creativity program pays out a percentage of the TikTok ad revenue based on video views and engagement. So the more views and engagement you get, the more money you make from a single viral video. Simple as that. Kids are making 5K, 10K, even 20K off just one video thanks to these hot niches. It's actually insane. Alright, now for the niches you've been waiting for. The first hot niche is texting story videos. You know those text messages that get shared on Reddit? Well, creators are taking those messages, adding some gameplay footage like Minecraft parkour in the background, and the videos are going absolutely viral. But that's just the start. The second niche that's an absolute goldmine right now is unethical life hacks. People are adding Minecraft parkour videos with a cartoon character like Rick from Rick and Morty talking about unethical life hacks. And finally, niche number 3 is creepypasta stories. People are adding Minecraft parkour videos with a cartoon character talking about creepy stories. It's basically Reddit stories, but with a twist. I know, you're probably thinking, those all sound awesome AI century, but how the hell do I actually make these videos? Don't worry fam, I've got you covered. We're going to go through all the steps for each niche, from getting the video idea and writing the script all the way to editing it up in CapCut with voiceovers, captions, and more. You're going to be a TikTok editing master by the end of this. I'm talking easy 1K paydays every time you drop a new viral video. But you gotta stick around to the very end, because I'm also revealing my secret 25K per month TikTok strategy that nobody else is doing. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Alright, let's get into text message videos. First, since that niche is just printing money. This is the blueprint to create this type of videos. First, we will search for viral videos in the same niche. Then we will take their scripts, copy the video URL, and go to snaptik.app and paste in the URL and download the video. Next, convert the MP4 file to a MP3 file. Afterward, go to replicate.com and search for the model whisper. Upload the MP3 file and click on run. You will then have the script that you can rewrite yourself to improve it. The next step is to create a voiceover using CapCut. You may need a VPN for this new feature and set it to USA. Go to CapCut, drag text to the timeline, then head over to text-to-speech to clone a voice. We need a voice for a boy and a girl. I asked for permission and cloned a girl's voiceover from someone I know. You need to say the text out loud to clone the voice. For the boy voice, I will use my own voice. The next step is creating text messages. Go to fakedetail.com and go to the text messenger. Then select iPhone text message. Type in the text bubble for each person and customize it to your own liking. When you're done, simply download the fake screenshot. Now go to CapCut and create a voiceover for each text bubble. Afterward, add some gameplay videos to the timeline. You can find clips for free in the description. Now drag the screenshot to the timeline and crop the photo each time the voiceover is being spoken.
Honey, I'm outside your school. Sorry I was so late. It's really dark.
I'm already on my way home.
Oh, you got a ride?
You sent an Uber for me?
No, I didn't. Honey, I didn't call an Uber.
Thanks for giving the blueprint AI century.
No problem, Patrick.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, Patrick, but make it quick. The viewers are waiting.
Okay, sorry, my bad. What if I just take all the viral scripts from all the creators and just change one sentence while I get paid by TikTok?
That's literally what everyone else is doing, but just make sure to change the voices with CapCut's new cloning feature and change the gameplay. Then you're good to go.
Thanks, man. I'm going to buy some rocks after this.
Can we go back to the video?
Yes, of course.
Alright, there you have it, guys. That's how you create text message videos that can make you thousands from the TikTok creativity program.
How tough are you?
But we're not done yet, not even close. Now, I'm going to break down my step-by-step process for our second hot niche, unethical life hacks. In this unique corner of TikTok, you'll find cartoon characters discussing unethical life hacks. And these videos are getting millions of views. Hold on, Patrick's calling me again.
I forget.
What's up this time?
I wasn't paying much attention during the last blueprint. Can you help me with the next 2? I promise to pay attention.
Okay, but keep it down, yeah? Only ask questions if you're really stuck. First off, we're going to look for viral videos by creating a burner account.
What's a burner account?
It's an account you use to tailor the algorithm so it only shows you what you want to see. This is done by liking only the videos that you're actually interested in.
Okay, so now what?
After saving all the viral videos, you'll recreate them using the method I explained at the start of the video.
Oh yeah, I remember now. I need to take the scripts and then change them a bit.
Right, and luckily, there are over 100 YouTube videos about unethical life hacks. You can take these scripts and modify them
How do I do that?
by simply downloading the YouTube video as an MP3 and then converting it to text on replicate.com.
Is this all?
Now pay close attention. We're going to clone the voices of cartoon characters using 101soundsboard.com, but before we do that, pick a cartoon character that makes the most money out of these four.
Rick from Rick and Morty.
Wow, you got it right. So now we're going to clone Rick's voice.
Who's talking about me?
How did you get into this call?
It was left open, idiots.
I'm not an idiot. Well, maybe a little.
Okay, where were we? Oh yes, we're going to clone Rick's voice.
Why me?
Because you're a gold mine in this universe, appearing across numerous niches.
Oh, really? What's being done exactly?
With the help of 101soundsboards.com, you get free access to various cartoon characters' voices, including yours, Rick.
Wasn't that site super slow?
Yes, which is why you'll clone the voices using CapCut's voice cloning tool.
How do you do that?
What you do is go to CapCut and create a new voice, but this time, you're not cloning your own voice, but that of a cartoon. Remember what I said in the previous blueprint? I had a friend of mine read the text out loud.
Yeah, I remember that.
Let him talk, idiot.
Right, so what you'll do is type the text you see, which you need to read out loud, into the text-to-speech function on 101soundsboard.com.
And then?
Then you download the voice.
Let me guess. You play the voice while recording it in CapCut to clone it, saving time in the process?
Exactly.
Oh, that's really smart.
And now you can create videos with your voice in CapCut. What we'll do next is create the voice. Drag the text into the timeline and place the script in it, then go to text-to-speech and click read. Now you have a voiceover. But we still need captions, gameplay, and stock videos.
And you're missing me.
Oh yes, search for PNG images of Rick on Google and include them in your video.
But how do you make captions?
Go to text and click on auto captions. You can choose from templates. And yes, you can find stock videos pretty much anywhere.
Can I see the result?
If the apartment next to you is an Airbnb, book one night there and get the Wi-Fi password. You'll never have to pay for internet again. Unethical Life Hacks. If you are trying to sell your car, go into a very nice neighborhood to take pictures. Buyers will be more interested to buy a vehicle from classy people who have money to keep it maintained. Don't I look handsome?
But wait, now I also have all the building blocks to start in the next niche, the Creepypasta Niche.
Indeed, although you still don't know how to craft scripts, which will be explained in this video.
Okay, before I watch that video, what does that niche look like exactly?
The videos are like this, with a creepy voice. They're similar to the other niches, but in this niche, they talk about creepy stories. A lot of accounts in the Reddit niche are getting demonetized one by one. Some people may still make money, but to prevent it from happening, put a cartoon at the bottom of the screen. It's necessary. If you're interested in this niche, check out this video, and for the 25K strategy, check out this video. Don't forget to check out CapCut in the link in the description.